Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons.
Oh, the clock got him! The clock got him!
Hi. Hi. Officer Goldenberg, report police. The reason I tried to stop you is the speed limit here is 50 and you were going 72.
Okay. So was everyone else around me, but...
No, you were catching up to the vehicles that you got up to by the light.
The ones that were with me were going...
There wasn't anybody with you. You passed a pickup truck. Do you have a driver's license proof of insurance, please? You were passing a pickup truck when you passed me.
There were cars with me. They apparently saw you before I did and slowed down.
Is there a reason that you didn't pull over when I...
Where was I going to pull over with all the traffic?
Okay, I'll take your driver's license proof of insurance, please.
I mean, why...
What does the law say when...
wait to turn the fucking lights on?
I turned the lights...
Right here
no, I turned the lights on at the light.
Right? No, you...
No, yes, I did. I have video.
Dude.
Give me your license, please.
Show me the video.
Give me your license,
you want to
please.
be a lying piece of shit.
I'll show it to you in court.
Yeah? Well, I won't be in court.
And your proof of insurance, please.
Howard Chicken.
This is expired. You have a current one, sir.
I don't know, dude.
Copy. Westbound 512.
Westbound 512, receive.
Pit.
Radio copy the pit. Here's the dog for
Utility stop. Hands up! Put your hands up!
Genitals. Genitalia. Knock, knock, who's there? It's me.
No, that's not your fucking lane.
Knock, knock, who's there? Me again. Still
what are you doing?
Not naked.
It's not your lane.
I wanna see your bum. I
don't you
say no. I don't have feelings, cause feelings are gay. Something in the month of May. Just love my penis, cause it's.
You don't have a lane.
Girls' brains are much stupider than men's are, so they.
That's my lane.
Us, cause we're smart. Women are only good for three things.
Look at that, she hits the curb. What a dumbass.
And vagina. Show me your genitals.
What's she gonna do? I'll just hit her with the car. What's she expect?
A jet of liquid swept the particles backward, washing them off the cabin's wall like mud.
Fuck.
On this side! He stepped to her side and blasted away.
but you passed me on the left. I have a video. I'll have a clip of the whole thing.
I'm not trying to
and
be a
you
jerk.
pushed me on the left, so don't.
Oh, I was just trying to get around you. I wasn't trying to be.
I'm going right.
I wasn't trying to be that asshole.
I was gonna go straight.
It
Came on
seemed
my
like
left.
Hey, I wasn't trying to be a jerk.
I'm going that way.
I was just trying to get around you, and you gunned
on the left.
Yeah, because there's 2 lanes right here.
I was in the left lane.
Well, it looked like you were going in the right. I wasn't trying to offend you.
It's okay. That's why I gunned it, and then I want to go this way.
Hey, we're good. We're good. I wasn't trying to offend you.
I know.
I was trying to get around you.
I know it's Texas people, you know.
Yeah.
But I was on the left, and I don't want to block traffic. I had to get out of there because I don't have anything around.
Hey, no. I just want to make sure you didn't think I was pissed off at you. I was trying to get around you, I thought. And it looked like you were trying to take the right.
No, I have the whole lane, so like I'm on the far right of the lane because there's a left turn. I'm not taking left. I was going straight.
Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, I'm not trying to piss you off.
All right.